I cannot see you. You can talk bad about me,
Welcome to yet another episode on
teamnoc.
And today we'll be playing some variety show inspired games.
And we will be playing in pairs, and this is our team.
Okay, but moving on, before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's go!
Players sit in pairs with a divider between them. The producer asks them a series of questions, which each pair has to answer at the same time with the same answer. Until each pair answers a question with the same answer, they will continue to be questioned. The catch? A balloon filled with flour will be held over each team's head until they get a question right. And the balloon will be popped when the secret timer runs out. Good luck!
Okay guys, can y'all pick a representative to play scissors, paper, stone?
Sure.
Huh? Okay, ready? Go.
Scissors, Paper, Stone.
Why? Oh my God.
What does this mean? So this team starts first.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. McDonald's or KFC?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. White wine or red wine?
Red.
You have to answer at the same time. Coffee or tea? 3,
Coffee.
2, look, we count down.
Okay.
Okay, milk chocolate or dark chocolate? 3, 2, 1.
Dark chocolate.
Marvel or DC?
Marvel. Oh my god.
Disney Channel or Cartoon Network?
Disney Channel.
Lady Gaga or Beyonce?
Lady Gaga.
Cat or dog?
Cat.
Gin or vodka?
Gin.
Fried rice or fried noodles?
Fried noodles.
Elmo or Big Bird?
Elmo.
iPhone or Samsung?
iPhone.
Koi or Liho?
Koi.
Adidas or Nike?
Nike.
Korean or Japanese?
Korean.
Sweet or salty?
Salty.
Team NOC or Sugar Melon?
Team NOC.
MBS or Fullerton?
MBS.
Spicy or sour?
Spicy.
A or B?
A.
Short or long?
Long.
Beer or hard liquor?
Beer.
Tall or short?
Tall.
Mac or Windows?
Mac.
Imposter or crewmate?
Imposter.
Taobao or Easy Buy?
Taobao.
Coke or Pepsi?
Coke.
Lemon or lime?
Lemon.
Heels or flats?
Heels.
Heaven or hell?
Heaven.
Day or night?
Night.
Emma Stone or Emma Watson?
Emma Stone.
Harry Potter or Twilight?
Harry Potter.
Resident Evil or Underworld?
Oh my God.
Ready? We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Who's the prettiest person?
Me.
Who is the most handsome person?
Arman.
Who is the worst among us imposter?
Sam.
Who sings the best?
Samantha.
Whose laughter is the worst?
Iman.
Who's the ugliest?
No, sorry. We are going to take a flip skip on that. Sorry, that's a self-esteem issue, yes.
Who's the worst singer?
Iman.
Who has more than one sibling?
Oh.
Who would kill Nicole for $1 million?
Arman.
Who is the worst host?
Iman.
I love you, baby. I love you.
Who is the complaint king or queen?
Arman.
Who is the worst person to play games with?
Arman.
Who eats the most?
Iman.
Who believes that ghosts exist?
Arman.
Oh, me.
Who doesn't have a driving license?
Arman.
Favorite person to heart with?
Das.
Who's the person you will die for?
Nina.
Who's the person you won't share your secrets with?
Oh. Sure.
Who won't you go on a holiday with?
Sure.
Who won't live without their phone?
Das.
Who's the craziest person?
Sam. Okay, continue.
Who will most likely get hacked?
Sam. Oh, wait.
Who would cry after watching a K-drama?
Sam.
Who would you call in an emergency?
Iman.
Who is most likely to cry at work?
Sure.
Who is the worst at cooking?
Iman.
Who would be the best person as crew?
Nicole.
Who is the oldest person in the room?
Nina.
Who likes plants the most?
Iman.
Who has the longest hair?
Nina.
Who loves pineapples the most?
Das.
Who was most recently on Team NOC?
Nicole.
Who is the shortest?
Das.
Who is wearing socks?
Das.
Who loves the color green?
Arman.
I don't. I love pink.
Who has the best hair?
Iman.
Who is wearing red?
Arman.
Who doesn't have any pets?
Das.
Who's not wearing socks?
Sure.
who wore a hat today?
Yay! All dirty already!
3, 2, 1, go. What is Aiman's favorite color?
Pink.
Who would thus commit a crime with?
Aiman.
What is the breed of Nicole's dog?
Multiple.
What food will Samantha absolutely not eat?
Spicy food.
Oh, where?
What is Cher most afraid of?
Ghost.
What animal most closely resembles Nina? Dog. How old is NOC?
8 years.
If you had to choose one animal to help you win a fight, what animal would it be?
A gorilla. Hey, why are you so slow?
Tiger. If you could carry an object in your pocket, what would it be?
Tissue.
If your life were a video game, what would the game be?
Mario Kart.
If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Sylvia! Damn! How can you say that?
What would be the coolest animal to scale up to the size of a horse?
Dog.
Favorite NOC channel?
Team NOC!
Favorite Marvel superhero?
Captain America.
Yeah?
What would be the worst thing for the government to make illegal?
Marijuana.
Favorite Disney character?
Mickey Mouse.
Favorite McDonald's meal?
McSpicy.
Oh my god, What item would you buy that will make the cashier most uncomfortable?
Condom. Oh my god. It has happened before.
What's the first thing you notice about Nicole?
Her hair.
If Sam won the lottery, what would she buy?
A house.
Oh, yes, yeah.
If Cher was an IKEA object, what would she be?
Chair.
Oh my god.
If you could describe Nina in one word, what would it be?
Hot.
If Das won a trip anywhere on earth, where would he go?
Malaysia.
What Chinese dish is Samantha?
Mala.
Which is your favorite Powerpuff Girl?
Buttercup.
I can feel the snow falling to my
What snow? The snow drop on the table only. What snow?
Hello. You think what? I cannot see you. You can talk bad about me, huh? I got ears, huh?
That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. So, how do you all feel about the game?
Well, my question is, since when was my favorite color green? Since when did I do not want to shower every single day? Since when am I the worst host? I don't know. But a lot of these
Nicole,
things,
you say that
I must go home and reflect on my friendship with each and every one of you.
I think after this game, right, I feel like Cher got potential to be my next BFF lah.
Wow.
Yeah. So guys, whoever that said I was late, whoever said
Not
I'm
me,
the
not
oldest,
me. I never say anything.
They asked us to describe you, we say hot Like the two of us.
apart from that, I'm watching the four of you.
Oh, we say hot
We say hot She want to watch us, but it's okay. Let her watch us.
Alright, do remember to head over to our Instagram and Facebook for more content.
And remember to follow all of our socials.
And as always, click here for more and click here to subscribe.